What is up, everybody out there in YouTube land? Jose once again from PetRockMedia.com, and in today's video we are talking about the autofocus testing capabilities on the DJI Pocket 2 that we have been utilizing here in the studio for the past couple of videos as our main webcam. We're going to look at the autofocus, we're going to look at how well it tracks, and we're going to take a look at how well it tracks your face as you're moving through the shot if you're showcasing other items around your studio. Let's talk about it. Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Again, if this is the type of content that interests you, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, punch that bell icon, and when you hit that bell icon, be sure you select all notifications so that way YouTube will do its job and notify you each and every time we post some type of content to this channel, whether it be live, original content, or comments to our community tab. So in recent videos, we've been looking at the DJI Pocket 2 and it's serving as your main A-cam or just main camera in general to start or continue your YouTube studio. If you're looking to upgrade video wise and looking at 4K, things like that, this camera is a pretty beastly powerhouse in such a small little form factor. And we've been looking at different options for you regarding audio, regarding, again, using it as an A-cam, the way the color science looks and things like that. Today, we're taking a look at the autofocus system. Now, the autofocus system is phase detect and it can pretty much, lock onto your face, and there is even an option that it will track as you move through it. Now, right now, it's set to not necessarily move with my face. So that's one of the options, is that it should stay focused on my face as I move through, but it's not necessarily going to move the camera. And then one thing is, if you do utilize like props, or if you're utilizing a product that you're trying to showcase, such as this little McNugget, you'll see that it focuses there, and then it'll focus on you, then it'll focus on the item, then it'll focus on you. And what's cool is that the little screen here shows where it's focusing. So you can put it right there, it locks on. You can put it on yourself and it should lock on. Something a little bit smaller, Mr. Peanut, it should lock on focus, and then it'll lock focus on you. There is a little bit of focus breathing. It kind of looks like it's going in and out of focus. That is something that you'll have to deal with if this is going to be your main A-cam. You can see right there, and then right there. So there's not too much of it, but it is slightly there. And again, for a little bit skinnier objects, you'll see Mr. Peanut, and then it's back on you. So one thing that I did want to show you is if you tap on the screen once on the item, it'll focus on that item. So before you get started, before you hit record and setting up your lights and stuff, if you push on your face, it'll be focused on your face. Now, if you double tap on your screen, then that enters in what's called face track. And it's going to track your face as you move. So as I'm moving this way, the camera's going to slowly follow me, and if I move this way, you'll kind of see the studio. It moves this way. Now, I haven't tuned it finely to where the movement of the camera will be a little bit smaller. And see, right now it's kind of hunting because it doesn't know I'm not centered right into the shot. So if I'm right here in the center, you'll be able to see that now it's going to be completely focused on my face. So that is one of the negatives that you definitely want to fine tune as you're utilizing this camera, again, as your A-cam in YouTube. But the cool thing is that if you move backwards and then start moving around, it will track you. So if you're showing something over here and then maybe moving over here to show something else, it will track you. And then if you pull up to the camera and show your full face, then it'll fully lock onto your face and it'll stay focused on you. So that's one cool option with this camera itself. So depending on your situation and your type of content, this could be something that you could look into as far as when you're looking to maybe purchase this camera. It does have this feature built in. So did the previous DJI Osmo Pocket. So that may be something that if you're trying to save some money and you don't necessarily need the features and convenience of this new one, you can purchase maybe one of the older ones, which right now Best Buy retails for about $199, I think, on Amazon as well. I'll leave links to both of these cameras down below. They are going to be affiliate links. It does help the channel. You in no way need to utilize them, but if you want to help support non-financially, so to speak, coming out of your pocket, allow Amazon to send me a few cents and utilize the affiliate links down below. So again, everybody, I just wanted to show you the autofocus testing on this camera and how it will track your face and how it will move with you as you're getting through and doing some type of product placement, product show offs, and things like that. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Do you own the DJI, either Pocket 1 or 2? How do you feel the camera works for you in your situation? Do you have any questions or anything you want to start a conversation about? Again, leave those comments down below. Any future videos that you want to see me produce, leave that down below as well. Be that cool person that gives me a thumbs up. Thank each and every one of you for stopping on by and supporting the channel. Our channel is growing slowly, but I still feel that we are doing amazing work on this channel, and I cannot say thank you enough to all of you who have supported this channel and are in the community. I will catch every one of you beautiful human beings in the next video. Peace.